So much like becoming a lawyer, where I set my mind to it, I didn't grow up with attorneys. My dad was a social worker. My mom was a substitute teacher, so no attorneys in the family. So for me, my knowledge base of attorneys were some family friends who were either street attorneys, so they took pretty much everything, or criminal attorneys. So for me, I knew I figured I wanted to be a criminal trial attorney. It would get me in court every day, and I'd be able to handle things that actually affected people on either side, right? So either as a defendant, you were literally had their liberty at issue, or as, standing up for the government to protect the interests of a victim of some sort. That's all I ever wanted to do. So when I went to law school, I started to be exposed to, civil and commercial law, the law firm life, but it never really took me off of the path to wanting to be a criminal attorney. And that's really what I became. So for my first 6 years in the drag court, I exclusively did high-end crime. First year and a half, I did low-end felonies, but then, I became a defense counsel, did very, very serious felony crimes, and I became a senior special prosecutor doing specifically sex crimes and violent crimes against vulnerable individuals. And then coming out of that, I realized that I wanted to start to expand my boundaries, and that's when I started to look more into civil and commercial law, in that practice, which is now where I straddle, right? Being able to straddle between still getting my fix from criminal law and white collar type investigations where, liberty is still at risk, but then also being able to bring those same skills and that same passion to the civil and commercial context.